Hello, I am mesmerized. I am fortified. I am flabbergasted. Uganda to Kigali, Kampala to Kigali. The Mbarara-Katuna border post that was constructed by the EU is 124 kilometers, Mbarara-Katuna road. And then from Katuna to Kigali is 78 kilometers. Now listen to this. It costs 3 billion and 80 million shillings to construct a kilometer of tarmac on the Ugandan side of the border. And yet on the Rwandan side of the border, it costs 1 billion 900 million, 1.9 billion shillings to construct a kilometer. So ask yourself, why is it that the cost of the road on the Ugandan side of the border is 3 billion and 80 million shillings, and on the Rwandan side of the border is 1 billion 900 million shillings? Same road, same terrain, same funding from the European Union. What is the problem with Uganda? What is the problem? Has corruption now reached that level? On June the 2nd, 2012, President Museveni said he ordered the Auditor General to investigate the matter and he will deal with the people. It's coming to 12 years. Ugandans have not got answers. Same terrain, same road, same funding, different contractors. The Rwandan was conducted by Stratback, an international construction company, and the Ugandan side was done by the Rainlords construction company. Why are taxpayers in Uganda being fleeched? Why are we getting loans and inflating prices? I shudder. I just laugh at this glaring abuse of public resources. Honorable Dr. Odonga Otto, a political philosopher, giving you information on how your country is being governed. Thank you.